cook a black chicken today. This chicken is black, like even the bone, the skin, meat, and everything is black. And bok choy as well, with garlic and a bit of chili. This is like spicy chili, green chili. Remove the veggie there. So I love this chicken, so it's really delicious. I'm gonna just use my hand to eat it. I chop it and I cook it with just salt and just simple salt, and I put some sesame oil. Get the drumstick. Oh, it's bone. Makes my teeth black as well. I'll show you it's bone, it's black, whole thing black. It's very nutritious, it's free range chicken. I like to eat it with porridge, so just make it easy. It's quite a lot here. I cook it with like the feet and neck just to give the taste, but I will give the feet to my cat and the neck as well. Normally I don't debone them here. It's not a lot of meat, but I just don't debone them to eat it like this. Soup is kind of nice. This is my lunch today. Enjoy your lunch.